What are you doing? Oh boy. Cuddles looks lovely in your clothing. Why are you taking it off? This is what Alyssa does at 11:20 at night. When she's supposed to be in bed, she takes her clean clothes and puts them on toys. Right, Alyssa?
Put that on the snap. Cut. Whatever.
Oh man, it's good that's not a kid. You just kicked her right in the face. Sheesh, now you put her face down on the floor. She's got 2 pairs of panties on.
They're not panties.
They are panties.
This is panties.
Those are panties, yes.
They'll be pants.
Oh, they'll be pants. Okay. How old are you, Alyssa?
5.
And when are you going to be 6? You better go get that sock. When are you going to be 6? Next month you're going to be 6? You'll be starting the big K. Kindergarten. Gonna have a big birthday party? Huh? Oh, don't put the clean clothes all over the floor. Naughty girls up past their bedtimes. Naughty girls. What are you doing with my laundry basket?
Nothing. I'm gonna use it for my toys.
Yet I've already started folding your clothes, so I have to finish it.
After you get your poo face done. Just kidding. I love my mommy.
I love my Alyssa. Are you gonna put your Elsa pajamas on her? Oh, I gotta put it right side in now? I don't even know. Those are Aiden's. Let it go. Are you picking your nose?
Snuggle the puppy. Snuggle the puppy. Monkey's not a puppy. He's a monkey. Monkeys are evil.
Monkeys are evil? Oh, that doesn't sound like fun. Oh, man. Sock it to her. Teach that monkey a lesson, huh? Oh, man. Just rip the hair. What if I dressed you like that? Would you like that? Poor Cuddles. I feel for you. Oh, my God. You're holding her by her hair? Oh, it's so awful. It's like monkey abuse. She's not going to like you very much. Oh, you got it all twisted up now. I guess I'm going to end my 5-minute video of Alyssa dressing her monkey at 11 o'clock at night. The batteries are dying. Oh, there's a monkey. Alright, say bye.